Look at this view. Hi, I'm SK, a licensed real estate agent. Today I'm visiting Akasaka, Minato City, Tokyo. Not Asakusa. Look at this view. It is really nice. Like this carved panoramic view. What do you think? This is really gorgeous. The price is really expensive as well. It's roughly 4.3 million US dollars or 648 million yen. Spicy. The surprising part of this property is that you only had 2 beds, and the floor size is 60 square meters, approximately. But look at this. This is gonna be the small bedroom. One of the bedrooms, actually. Right? But I love this floor. Shiny. And then here's the very heavy door. Done. This is it. So you have 2 beds, and then both are actually, well, as you see, not very spacious. But as always, very well finished. Everything looks so good. Quality finishing. And here's the closet. Alright, let's check out other stuff. Alright, let's check out bed. Not bed. Kitchen. So this is the view from the kitchen. This is gonna be the dishwasher. I feel this is a little bit spacious. A little bit bigger than normal size. Just a little. Right. Here's the cupboard. Someone commented that I didn't really know about how to call this thing, and then somebody kindly told me that it is called cupboard in English as well. Alright. Let's get back to the small bedroom here. So this is absolutely small. There's no even close it. Oh my goodness. But this is something very fancy. Look at this. Maybe the reason why the developer didn't put dining table is that if you put a dining table right here, the living room is not gonna be look this spacious, because there's not anything big furnitures except for this round table. But this is very, it has a very short profile. And you have very unique couch here. This looks amazing as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Right, let's check out bathroom. There's only one sink, but you have a laundry machine already. Rounded. It has a good scent. Here's the bathtub. The water comes out here like a waterfall. Very nice feature. I don't know why the door is so heavy. This is very heavy. Let's check out the restroom. Here's where you wash your hands, mirror, and toilet. I feel this is a little bit spacious. restroom. What do you think?